In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a survey from SurveyMonkey step by step so you can export your survey data quickly and understand exactly what options are available on your plan. If you're trying to save your survey results for reporting, sharing, or backup, this guide will walk you through the process in a simple and easy way. And if you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey homepage, sign into your account if you aren't already logged in. After that, look for your survey dashboard. This is where all of your surveys are listed, and this is the starting point for downloading or exporting a survey. Next, click on the survey you want to work with. Make sure you choose the correct survey, especially if you have multiple projects or forms in your account. Once the survey opens, you'll be taken into the survey workspace where you can view its settings, responses, and analysis tools. From there, click on Analyze Results. This is the section where SurveyMonkey stores the response data and export options for your survey. If your goal is to download the survey results, this is the area you need. It may take a moment to load, depending on how many responses your survey has. After that, find and click Export. SurveyMonkey will show you the export options for your results. This is where you can choose how you want to download the survey data. In many cases, this is the step that users are looking for when they ask how to download a survey from SurveyMonkey. Now click New Export. This tells SurveyMonkey to create a new downloadable file for your survey data. At this point, you may see different export formats or download settings depending on your account type. Take a moment to review what's available before continuing. Here's an important note. Depending on your SurveyMonkey plan, you may need to upgrade in order to download the survey in certain formats like PDF, XLS, CSV, PNG, or PPTX. If you're on a free or limited plan, some download options may be restricted. So if you don't see the format you want, that usually means the export feature is tied to a paid subscription. Once your export is ready, SurveyMonkey will let you download the file to your device. From there, you can open it, share it, or use it for reporting and analysis. If you only needed the survey results for your records, that's all you need to do. So to quickly recap, go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, click Analyze Results, then Export, and choose New Export. If your account supports it, you can download the survey data in the format you need. And if not, you may need to upgrade your plan to unlock those export options. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.